And in some cases, you might still find areas where the surfaces don't fill in at all. There's another trick that we want to take a look at for that. That's that label stray lines tool that we looked at. Here, if we go in and select all of the edges that are associated with the surfaces that aren't filling in, we can then go up to the plugins menu and select the option there for label stray lines. SketchUp will go through at that point and draw a leader line with text that's pointing to each of the line segments and edges that aren't meeting up perfectly at the endpoints. So we don't have closed faces here, so even the Make Faces plugin isn't going to get these surfaces to fill in. Going back later and trying to edit your SketchUp model or trying to edit your CAD drawing when you have little gaps like this in your edges can just be a whole nightmare experience in and of itself that more often than not isn't even worth dealing with. So while the Make Faces plugin might be useful for certain kinds of drawings, or might even be useful if you're working in SketchUp for product design or landscape design or maybe even interior design, typically for me, I don't even go to that level with the CAD drawings that I import in from CAD. Here I'm going to undo back until all that I have left are the edges from the CAD file. And then take the select tool and then just hit escape a couple of times to exit out of the groups and components that we have in the model. Here, if you take the select tool again and select the drawing, you should just see that the whole drawing, the plan and the elevations are all selected.